Sonja and you're watching Domestic Diva DIY. Today I will be decorating a round table. It's a pedestal table, but it's more of a hallway table rather than like a sitting kitchen table type of thing. And I will be decorating it for fall. And this video is part of Kenya from Kenya's Decor Corner, her seasonal lantern decor challenge. She asks us to decorate a lantern or decorate with a lantern for the season. So this time around I have chosen to decorate with the lantern. Before I decorated the lanterns, but this time I want to decorate for the season using a lantern. So I'm gonna have Kenya's channel linked down below as well as the playlist. So make sure you go check it out. There's always so many different types of inspirations, from glam to farmhouse to rustic. Mine's gonna be rustic. So I'm super excited because I think it's gonna look really, really good. But we'll see. I hope it turns out. So I'm going to turn my camera around, show you the table that I'm decorating, and then I'll most likely will be doing a voiceover because I can't think and talk at the same time. So, and if this is your first time stopping by my channel, I would love it if you considered subscribing and pressing the notification bell so you don't miss out any of my upcoming uploads. There's gonna be tons of fall decor. I already posted a couple, so yeah, come along. So here's the little table that I'm going to be working on. I have brought up a couple supplies to use, so let's get started. So I'm using this placemat as a center for all the decorations that I will be placing. It is a burlap placemat, and then I follow with a main event of this decor video, the lantern. I like how rustic this lantern looks, and that has kind of gave me the inspiration for this year's fall decor to be more rustic and earth tony. I'm using this ceramic jug to add a different texture to the decor. The flowers that I'm using, well, they're not really flowers, they're more just leaves, but I love the color on them. Such a great fall color. I don't want to cut the stems because I use them for different things every year, and sometimes I need the stems to be longer and sometimes shorter, so I'm just folding them down as much as I need to so they look good in this jug. Next I will be adding pumpkins, and again I'm using pumpkins that are different size, different textures. I absolutely love this porcupine pumpkin. I think it is a showstopper. So here it is. I love how simple yet elegant this looks. So I'm gonna walk you through and kind of let you know where everything had come. The lantern and the little water jug had come from Home Sense long time ago. I've had it. That's actually the lantern I used for the Christmas lantern collab. This fuzzy pumpkin also came from Home Sense. The black pumpkin came from Target back when there was a Target in Canada. And the little white pumpkin came from Dollar Tree. And this is a roll of burlap wide ribbon that came from Michael's, and I had cut it up. I had made table runners, I had made placemats, all sorts of stuff with that. It's a great buy if you can get it at 40 or 50% off. I hope you enjoyed this quick and easy fall decorate with me. I would like to thank Kenya for hosting this challenge. I always enjoy participating in it, and I love decorating for fall and looking forward in bringing you tons more fall decor, fall clean with me, so make sure you stick around. You might know me also as Domestic Diva 76. That's what the channel used to be called, and then I had divided into 3, so I have a DIY, home, and cooking channel now, and this is home channel. I left the DIY as part of the old channel. So I would love it if you considered subscribing, pressing the notification bell, and if this has inspired you and you think someone else would find it inspiring, please share my video. You know, let people know. It helps my channel grow, and I love the interaction and the community that I am building on this channel. So until next time, hope you guys have a wonderful day and wonderful weekend, and I'll see you in my next video. Thanks for watching.